Hi. First of all, maybe you can introduce yourself and introduce your business.
Sure. So my name is Kim Ann Wilson, and I'm the president of SASS, which stands for Support a Savvy Sister, which is a marketing management agency right here in Edmonton.
That's awesome. How long have you been in business?
We've been in business since 2015, so 5 years now. Mostly working with exclusive clientele, so we weren't really marketing ourselves to the public. We've just started to do that as of 2020. Right. So yeah, we've been in business 5 years now, but really working with exclusive clients because of capacity wise. When we started off, we started as just a one woman operation. We are Black owned, and 100% woman led. So it's been an amazing journey so far for the past 5 years.
All right. What would be an ideal client of yours?
So our ideal client is someone who are a little bit tech savvy, hence the name Savvy Sister. So a woman who has tried a few things, they kind of know their way around the digital world, but they still want that they want some more knowledge, right? They need to grow their business, and they need that insight, that marketing insight. And that's what Savvy Sister provides. It provides them with the tools and the resources to help push their business forward. So a woman who wants to DIY it herself, in a sense, will come to us and have some groundwork in terms of what they're looking to do. And then we would then deliver on that for them and implement it as well. So that's our ideal clients. However, we worked with organizations from ground up in terms of laying down their marketing strategy, implementing their social media strategy as well. So that's our ideal client, but we don't turn anyone away. Obviously, we work with everyone, and we work with people even who has already got their business established, but they want to get away from the DIY aspect of it and give it over to a management company to run that for them. So that's the kind of thing we do.
That's awesome. So, what made you fall into opening up a marketing company? What's your story?
Honestly, we fell into it. In 2015, we realized that there was a gap in the marketplace that allowed, especially women of color, to really market themselves in a professional way, right? Most times when we look out there, we see their representation as not on par with the competitors of other communities. So we came in and started to really push that forward in helping businesses show themselves in a professional light and help them showcase their strengths and their unique value to the community, and in terms of what they're providing and the services that they can give out. So that's how we kind of fell into it. A few clients, well, now clients, approached us for our help based on what they've seen us do with previous work. So that's how we kind of started, and from there it kind of if you do work really well, people will talk about it. So it was like a referral basis, and now it's
That's
to the
awesome.
point where we're like, you know what, we do have something to offer, and why not publicize it? So that's how we came to be.
Was there any one person or incident that was very pivotal and instrumental to what you're doing today with your company?
Yes, I would say absolutely. And I think this is true for most entrepreneurs or business owners. It's that you're always uncertain about what you're doing in terms of how successful it is or how valuable it is to others, right? And for us, we found the added value once we received the commendation from the Government of Canada, Foreign Affairs Trade, and it's DFED, so it's Foreign Department of Foreign Affairs and International Trade. They sent us a commendation letter for the work that we're doing, and that really, really kind of solidified our confidence in the work that we're putting forward and the help that we offer. So I think that changing moment, that time, really kind of let us realize that, you know what, we do have something to offer. So we're going to shout about it from the rooftops, and we're not going to apologize for it, right? So I think that moment in time was a pivotal moment for SASS in establishing our roots and our confidence as well.
That's awesome. Where do you see your business 1 year from now and 5 years from now?
Ooh, 1 year and 5 years. So in 1 year, I am dreaming and working towards SASS becoming a flagship agency right here in Edmonton, that's recognized as well throughout the city and the province, as a go-to agency for their marketing needs, for exactly what they're looking for end-to-end marketing. So it's everything digital, everything physical, branding. That's what SASS does. And to be established and recognized as that within the next year is a goal that we're working towards. Within 5 years, I am working towards seeing SASS in a brick and mortar building right on Jasper Avenue with our own office and maybe 20 employees. So it's not a dream, it is going to be reality, and that's what we're working towards. And so far, we're not doing too bad. We currently have 3 employees, including myself. So we're really, really putting in the work.
That's wonderful. So there's a lot of marketing companies out there. What makes your marketing company unique and stand out from the others?
I agree with you. There are a lot of different agencies and firms out there that you can definitely use for your marketing purposes. However, with choosing Savvy Sister, you're not just choosing a company to make your marketing identities and assets. You're choosing a family. And I say that because Savvy Sisters listen. We listen to what your needs are, whether those are said or unsaid, because a lot of communication happens in the unspoken words, right? And we do our analysis, we do our research, we do our background work to make sure that what you're coming to us for is done, but also what we identify as something that needs to be done is done as well. Because obviously you're coming to a marketing agency not because you know exactly what needs to be done, but because you know that there is something that needs to be done. And we do our due diligence to make sure that happens for you while being savvy about it. Meaning, if it's something you can do yourself without needing to pay us for it, we'll let you know. We can say, actually, all you need to do is go here, 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 and here, and just implement these strategies. That's simple. You need to grow your business, and we'll help you do that. But otherwise, we'll also let you know what we can do as well as an agency to help grow your business and bring you that exposure that you need. So that's why we're different. We try to do it. We definitely do it the savvy way. And we let you know how you can do it as well. So even if you don't hire us, you can go away and have a takeaway on how you can implement certain things to grow your business. So that's why and how we're different.
Wow, that's so awesome. I guess that's also why people are intrigued by your business and are coming to see you.
Exactly.
What is one quick marketing tip that you can share with the audience?
I would share with the audience as a marketing tip, especially in our current economic downfall and volatility, whatever. I would say never stop marketing. However small it is, in whatever shape or form it is, never stop, because the moment you stop is the minute you're giving another person, another company, another entrepreneur that space that you would have taken up within your industry, right? So even if it's posting a quick picture of what you're working on in the moment, or how busy you are that you can't even post, however small it is, continue to take up space and be present, because your presence is what gonna help grow your audience and your traction. So always be putting out content and being present on social media, regardless of what's happening with your business, with you, with life. We know life happens, but continue to be present regardless of how small it is.
Great. If you could describe Support a Savvy Sister, SASS, in one word, what would that be?
Savvy.
There we go. Very, very savvy. All right. Well, thank you so much for your time today, Kiman. Last question. How and where can the audience get in touch with you? What are your social media handles and
Yeah,
contact information?
absolutely. So people or viewers can find us at our website. We're on social media as well. Our website is sasavisister.com, and sister spelled Sistah, because there's no other way to spell sister. And you can also find us on Facebook and Instagram with the same words, SA Savvy Sister. Facebook, Instagram. We're also on LinkedIn as well as Support a Savvy Sister. You can find us there. And you can get in touch with us by email at info@savvysister.com. So we're pretty much most places. We're not hard to get a hold of. And we're
Awesome.
offering a promotion as well for all the viewers of this video. If you do want to see what we can do and how we can work together, definitely reach out and say, mention that you saw the video on BCW's YouTube channel, and we'll offer you a 20% discount on whatever service you choose to do with us.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for your time today, Kiman.
Thank you, Hope.